Welcome to Health Source of Indianapolis, Indiana. Today's topic, what you need to know about treating injuries. Everyone gets some kind of injury at some point in his or her life. If you've had an injury due to a fall or other kind of problem, then you may be wondering what you can do to treat the problem that you're experiencing. It's really not as hard as you may think, and you may just realize that you can relieve the pain. Treating minor injuries. There are a couple of ways that you can treat an injury that's minor in nature. The first is to make sure that it's not serious. This may seem silly, but an injury that looks minor may not be that at all. Look at the amount of blood or swelling that you have and make a decision that you think is right. If you think that the injury is not bad, then you can start a treatment at home. If you determine that the injury is minor, you should apply pressure to the area if it's bleeding. This will help to stop the bleeding that may be occurring and will help the wound to feel a little better as well as to start the healing process. After you get the bleeding to stop, you can bandage it and go on. You should watch the area for infections and swelling, and if it seems to be getting worse, you may want to go to the doctor to have them look at it for you. Treating severe injuries. When you're dealing with an injury that's pretty severe, you may not want to take it on yourself. The best option for areas that are swelling badly or that are bleeding badly is to go to the doctor. They will use their specialized equipment to treat you, and they also know what to look for when they're treating the injured areas. Even if the injury ends up not being too severe, you'll be glad you made the visit. If you're not able to get to a doctor right away, you may want to apply pressure to a wound that's bleeding badly or add ice to an area that's swelling up fast. This will help to keep things stable until you can get to a doctor for treatment. You should not wait if you can because the injury could be worse than you originally thought. Depending upon where the injury has occurred, it may also help to see a chiropractor. A chiropractor can often help relieve pain from injuries that are related to the back or neck areas. Take the time to really look at the injuries that you are dealing with. This way you'll be able to find out if you're able to treat the area yourself or if you should be going to the doctor to help you out. If the injury seems okay at first, you may want to keep watching the area to make sure that it doesn't get any worse. If it does, you may want to get to the doctor as fast as you can. If you don't, then you may have a worse thing to deal with in the end instead of it being something that's easily treated. To find out more information on topics like this, please go to www.healthsourceofindianapolisnorth.com.